everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about the difference between elastic and inelastic collisions. So, an elastic collision is one where kinetic energy is conserved, and an inelastic collision, no kinetic energy is conserved. So, say you have two objects of the same mass going towards each other. In an inelastic collision, the two will collide and bounce off of each other, while in an inelastic collision, the two objects will collide and then move together in the same direction. The main difference between the two collisions is whether kinetic energy is conserved. So in an elastic collision, both kinetic energy and momentum are conserved, while in inelastic collisions, only momentum is conserved and kinetic energy may be lost or transformed. So an example of an elastic collision is pool balls colliding. This is because pool balls are solid and elastic, so their original shape doesn't change, conserving kinetic energy. Also, the total momentum before the collision is equal to the total momentum after the collision, so this results in a conservation of momentum. So here are the equations for elastic collisions. The left-hand side shows the momentum before the collision, and the right-hand side shows the momentum after. The tick marks on the velocity value are for the final velocities since they differ from the initial velocities. And of course, m is mass. So moving on to inelastic collisions, an example would be a car crash because of the deformation and the change of the car's materials, the loss of kinetic energy, and the possibility of the objects sticking and moving together after the collision. So here is the equation for an inelastic collision where final velocity is equal to the addition of both objects' masses times their velocities divided by the two objects' masses combined. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned a little something about the difference between elastic and inelastic collisions.